Hey guys, it's that time of the month again to change my razor. Thus the title, What's the Best Razor? Well, in my opinion, it is the Schick Hydro, and for a few good reasons. One, it's ergonomic, it fits in your hand well, it's got a little rubber handle, it's kind of rubberized, and so it doesn't slip when you shave. Because sometimes a shaving cream will make your fingers slippery, so it doesn't slip out of your hand. It also not only pivots like this, but it will also slide and pivot because it's got little sliders in the back there to go along the contours of our face. The other thing I like about this is, like with most razors, you get your whiskers in there and you try and wash them out and they won't, and then they clog up and clog up and clog up. Well, in the back of this, there's not a lot of blockage there, so that way the whiskers can be washed out more easily. Another good reason I like this is because it's got these little, you might be able to see them, they're little dots there, and what those do is they're like a little soothing serum, for lack of better words. They're moisturizing, like a moisturizing strip on your other products. But these are stuck inside holes, so after they get wet, they don't fall off like in some of the other products that you buy. It's got 5 blades. The other super great thing about this is it stays sharp for like ever, I want to say. I've used this for probably 2 months. Today's the last day. But the other great thing about this is, how many times have you had your wife or your daughter jump in the shower, grab your razor, use it on her legs, and then put it back where they got it from, and then you go to shave, and it's like using a rock to scrape your face with. It doesn't happen with this. Man, my wife could shave her legs, her armpits, anything else, and it doesn't dull the blades. That's the super great thing about it. Now, another good thing about this is it's only $7.59 and it comes with 2 blades, which probably lasts you 2 to 3 months. Most of the other, smaller guys, they last about a week per blade. And then if you do like I do, if you buy the replacement blades, something that I thought was super nice, if you don't already know this air oxidizes the blades and makes them dull. Well, these come individually wrapped, so by the time you get to your 4th one, the blades aren't dull because they've been sitting in the air oxidizing. So they're individually wrapped. You just peel them out. Now the heart, you can see right here the little white moisturizing dots. See how they're stuck inside there? So when they get wet, they won't come off. The other thing is, when you lay it down, you want to lay it like this. You don't want to lay it like this, because if it touches something wet, then it'll get kind of sticky and gooey. Easy to replace. Just push a little button, and these little gadgets here close together. The most difficult part is to remember how these go on there, because you'll be trying to fidget with it. But the easy way is, there's a little hole at the bottom, and you just squeeze these together, stick them in there, let them go, and there you go. Oops, there we go. And the other thing is, the blue strip goes to the bottom also. So now I've got a brand new blade. It will last me for another 2 months probably. I think the reason why this one didn't last so long was because I took it into the shower. I didn't shave at the sink this time. I just recently moved and just thought I'm just going to keep using it in the shower. The other thing I do use is Skin-Timent. It's a woman's shave cream for her legs, but I use this because it is great for my skin. I don't get dry skin. It keeps it moisturized. And if you're like me, you're a cheapie. So for a brand new razor, what I say, $7.59, 4 replacement blades, like $11.68, $12, and you can get 2 cans of shaving cream, which will last you a long time. It's $9.95, a 2-pack like this. So at the bottom of in the description, I'm going to put the link to all those things that you can get them at Amazon. If you like the video, please give us a thumbs up. If we can help you in any way, subscribe to us so you can get our other videos as we make them. But like I said, by far this is the best men's razor that I've ever come across. And I'm in my mid-50s and I've been shaving my face since I was 17 every day. So anyways, this is the stuff. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe. Thank you, and have a great day.